Hello and welcome to the vlog, Vrai Voyage. I'm here in Seoul, South Korea. And I thought instead of going along the main roads, let's go down the back roads here in Seoul and have a look around and see what life is like in the back streets. Quirky little places. There's like all these little factories, little businesses, all working away in the back streets, just one step over from the main road. So, we'll wander around the back roads. So come for a walk with me. Let's see what we can go find. Peugeot. Some of these places that have like presses and printing going on. This seems like a whole street of very similar things happening. Look at that, printing. Maybe that's what this district is well known for. Machinery and people working in their own little factories. Look at that. That's amazing. I always find it fascinating to go to places like this, and just in a side street here there's all this industry. We'll keep going down the side streets here. Oh, nice car. And in amongst that there's all forklifts and there's all forklifts and people working, deliveries. You have to keep watching from behind too, because you'll get deliveries and forklifts and everything coming past you. And in between there's all these little food shops where you can buy snacks and things. Look at that. I think there would be anything you want to find here in Seoul. You could just pick a product and then come down here and find it. It's amazing. I love stuff like this. This is what travelling's all about. Checking behind the main streets. What's in the alleyways? Of course, you've got to be careful on certain places you go, but it's pretty safe here. Yeah, print fitting. I think all of this is like printing. Let's have a little sneak up here and see what's up here too. It's all printing.